Let's change the title of live. This is the main one, right? 32, we can make it 33, and live stream could be here as I'm working on. Save. Cool. And we can open up the pop out the chat. Hey legend, hello Hind. Guys, how's the Sunday going? Today is I should name this. It's a special Sunday 2 hour Sunday grind. Yeah, because well, I got some super chats last week and I have promised that I'll be streaming on Sunday. I would say special Sunday 2 hour. Special Sunday 2 hour. This is good. Okay, cool. Let's play some music. You guys are working on something? How's your Sunday going? Let's play music. Action required. Oh shit, I have to switch my UPI ID. Start September, October discount code. Oh, they have given me some discount too. Monthly creator plan. UPI ID is UPI or maybe AXL. Phone number. To play. First name, address. Give me 1 sec, guys. Hey Varun, long time. How are you? Postal. Just give me 1 sec. I'm playing music, but it's asking me to update my credentials. I'm subscribing as a business. No. Sending a mandate request. Let's see. It will give me a mandate request. Approve your mandate request. Let's see. Do we have you have received autopay request from this. Accept. Set autopay. Got it. Done. This mandate thing is really nice. Like you can see where you have set the mandates. UPI is, I like this compared to the credit system which we had earlier. Okay, Sunday grind. Hey Varun, this Sunday was a total rest for me. Nice. We do need rest someday. For me also, like not so much. How much did I work? I worked around more than 2.5 hours, maybe like 3 hours. I finished one major module, which was this save image in our server. So now this is done. Every time any job is created, it works in a way that a local copy is stored in our server and that public URL is shared to the client. So we have a copy till infinite time. Lo-fi chill. Let's play playlist. Lo-fi Christmas, lo-fi introvert radio. Yes, this is good vibe. I'm also an October born. I'm sorry, guys. I think yesterday I increased the voice, the audio for this thing. Sorry, sorry, sorry. It's fixed now. Appreciate Varun's efforts. Bro could have thrown a party this night and he's here attending live. Reduce the voice. Sorry, sorry for the voice, guys. Man, we missed all you said. Please repeat. Okay. So I was just, what did I say? I was saying happy birthday, Varun. Thank you so much for joining in this on your birthday. And I said like it's my birthday as well in this month. I'm also an October born. I love the month of October. Like October is my favorite month of the year. One reason is like it's my birthday was also. Okay, let's start. So I want to add one feature on our app, and if we can do it in this stream, that would be cool. Like in next 2 hours, we will have this feature working for us. Close all. Okay. Let's even close this. I don't need to see this. Hide sidebar. Shit. Oh shit. How to? Okay. I thought I have no idea how to bring it back. So I need less visibility on this. Even I don't need this. Let's work it like this. Clear. Okay. We'll work like this later. Bro. And we'll be using GLM. GLM is working really good for me so far. If my audio is good or not, let me know. Shubham, hey Shubham, welcome. Shubham, on your special request, this is a special Sunday stream just for you for 2 hours. As you can see the timer, as it hits 2 hours, I'll be sleeping. But yeah, Varun, again, happy birthday, man. Varun, I feel happy with Google Pixel 9 and 10, my brothers. The keyboard haptic sound is so cool. Oh wow, you're enjoying the Pixel 9. Nice. That's great. Keep giving the updates. I think the camera is really good for photos. I don't know about video. How's the video quality? There is a tab bar. We have in the home screen tab bar. I want to show a history tab which was there but we commented it out earlier. Let's enable it again now. Let's see. Rashid, I love this app. Which app? You mean PixFix? It's still waiting for review. I think Apple team is sleeping on Sunday. I submitted it like it's been more than 24 hours. I hope by Monday we'll get the good news that it's live because I have fixed every single thing which they have mentioned. I don't think there is any other reason for them not to fix it. Hind, Varun, click some pictures and send them on Discord. Really want to see how good the camera is. Oh yeah, that would be awesome. Share the like quality of the camera. We'll do one super chat. Any color. 30 minutes. No, we'll do it for 2 hours. Do a live stream from a beach. Let's see. One of the cleanest Android UI I have ever seen. I use the Samsung S series as my dad's mobile S21. Yeah, I really love the OS, the Android UI, which is in Pixel phone. That's the best OS experience. Bro, I have something I came across. I'm using my old iPhone 10 to test out your apps. Thank you, Arun. Thank you so much, man. I'll be like sharing the link once it's out. And I would really appreciate if you're using like testing my old apps. I would appreciate if you can just give one review only on auto reels. Others like I'm going to remove because I don't want to maintain them for long. Like I think the music one is not even working as of now. There's a history section which is there. Check DM. What is there? Shubham has shared something. Oh shit. Wait. Where's the chat? Where is the chat? It's here. Where's the sessions? It's here. Where's this? Check DM. So Shubham has shared something. What it is? Built an AI that simulates how Apple will review your app, so you know if it will get rejected before you submit. Nice. What it is? It will ship, create, run compliance check. Oh, so it will take the whole code base and send it to anything. Nice. This is good, but I don't know if I want to upload my whole code base. And people are talking about, is it accurate? I like it. I'll save it. Thank you, Shubham, for sharing this. I'll look into this later if it's useful or not. No history yet. Start processing photos to see them here. Profile. Home. History. So I think history and profile are not correct. Hey legend, thank you man, thank you so much. Now I'll have to do the next thing, which is being live from a beach. So I have two tasks now. One is playing a game. Do remind me if I forget about this, but yeah, game stream is happening this week in October, from 5th to what is the next date? Wait. Why all the messages are here? From 6th to 11th. Any day. So 6th to 11th we have to do this. Perfect. I have successfully re-enabled the history tab in your home screen bar. Here's what I've done. Let's see. Minecraft. Yes, Minecraft. I haven't looked into it yet, but I will. I will. Definitely. Layout. In the layout. Person outline. Home history tabs. History tab is cool. So I would say this is fine, but I want to change this history tab a little bit. In the history tab, add history. Can you add the header similar to how we have in profile with a border line? Damn, a game stream, let's go. Yeah, I'm thinking to play like this Minecraft with Shubham and someone else. Code with Yugi was there yesterday, and he said he'll be taking care of creating of the server, so we'll try to do that. Yes, or some other so that I can install. Hey Samir, sup Samir, RDR. Yeah, I was thinking to play RDR, but you guys suggested it's better if I stream Minecraft, play with you as well. So I'm thinking of that. Let's start a poll. Let's see which game stream would you be interested in. Minecraft, RDR2, and we'll add other option, which is other. So for other, we can discuss, and we will finalize it once we have 10 votes. Samir, I watched Mr. Nobody just now. Oh wow, Samir, one of my favorite movie. How did you like it? I can talk a lot about that movie. And bro, I just deleted Minecraft 5 days ago. Shit. uh, Samir, phenomenal. Nice. It's a really good movie. Like Jared Leto has done amazing work in that. Multiplayer, bro. T-launcher easy. Varun, hey guys, just shared some pics and a video I took with my Pixel 9. Who is interested in looking at some photos which Varun has shared from his phone? Showcase. Oh wow, I really like the clarity on this one. Nice, very nice. This one is a bit darker, but I think it's raining and it's raining, so that's why I think it's just too dark. Varun, can you do one image of like bright objects? I want to see how it works with colors, with different colors, like have different colors in a bright environment. I want to see the color accuracy on it. And second, if possible, like taking a video while walking of something, so that I'm also interested in looking at like how stable and the quality of video when you're walking, because that's where I feel sometimes iPhone shines a bit more. But if Pixel has fixed that or not in this version. History profile. I still notice that in profile screen, the profile text, and in history screen, history text is not same. Can you check the style on profile page and do the exact same on history tab? But yeah, thank you Varun for sharing this. This looks really cool. Shivanshu, can I join in game? You mean in Minecraft? If we do play Minecraft, yes, everyone can join. Download it with T-Launcher. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. One of my favorite movies. Yeah, me too. Me too. Samir, by the way, why don't you make apps for Android? Do Android peeps convert less? Exactly. So Android is giving a lot of hard times to developers. I have a beef with Google Play. Like I got so frustrated. I think in 2019, they suspended one of my Play Store account, and that app was generating somewhere around 3000 MRR, and they just suspended it. And my app had, I think, 1500 reviews as well, ratings. So then I thought, like, that was like such a shocker to me. And to be honest, it was not my fault. Like, it was not 100% my fault. I was using an SDK, and they emailed me like 1 week back, you are using an SDK which is outdated and it's not confirmed with them. Like, I don't know, something that SDK had a problem, and they only gave me 1 week, and I was traveling. I didn't see that email, and after a week I got an email that your account has been suspended because it was using an SDK which was non-compliant. I was like, bro, and this is like so crazy. I mean, they just suspended my account, and I was so frustrated. I emailed them. I was like so heartbroken. I thought I will never make Android apps. And then I decided like it's better to make iPhone apps, because at least they care a little bit more for developers than what Android does. In Play Store, earlier it was all automated. Like if algorithm flags your account, they just suspend it. There is no human in the loop. Even in their review process, there is no human in the loop. So yeah, that was the reason. Oh wow, someone. Varun, thank you, man. I just wanted to show my support and help you reach all your milestones. Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you. It means a lot, man. I don't know why I can tag you. Is your username different. Uh, uh, uh. This means a lot. By the way, what's the psychology behind it? And also, it's true, like in Android, the I don't know now, but initially there was only ad revenue majorly because there is a lot of user base in Android. So if you want to get a lot of user into your app, okay, if you weren't giving support, what? Guys, what is happening? This is crazy. So yeah, as I was saying, so then in Android, that's the thing. If you want to get more users, Android is a good platform. But if you want to get like good paid users, I feel initially, that's why my initial mindset is make as much as for iOS first. And if you get attraction, like if you see any of your app doing really good in iOS and you are stable, then spend some time on Android too. It will not be the crazy conversion that it happens in iOS, but still it's good. Like you will get more visibility, you will get at least some users. So it's kind of like missing out on marketing. And the kind of framework I'm using, it's super easy to create in Android. It's just that it needs a little bit more time to test it in Android, then create an account. And also they have made it super hard for new users to create new accounts, and they want you to test it with 12 of your friends for 12 days. That was such a bullshit kind of process they have enabled in the between. So that's why I'm thinking of starting my own like company and then creating a company based account, Play Store account, so that for them that process is not there. So yeah, majorly it's the major friction which they have created. Legend, we have now 50-50 on game stream. Oh, okay, what's happening? 8 votes. We are still waiting for 2 votes. If people go with RDR2, guys, do remember in RDR2 I'll be playing, you guys will be watching, because there is no multiplayer. But in Minecraft, it's multiplayer, so we all can join and play. But I don't know how many of you still want to play that game. Legend. See, Minecraft, everyone can play. Sure, RDR, it's just watching him play. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Samir, $3,000, right? Yes, it was generating around $3K a month. Blinken, hey Blinken, good morning, right on time. Today is like 2 hour stream, so yeah, you couldn't have missed it. Making breakfast, drinking coffee and watching Div. Nice Blinken. What kind of coffee do you like? Black, cappuccino, espresso, americano? Varun, man, the payment process on Android is really smooth compared to iOS, but I am still stuck with the old iOS UIOS. The payment process, you mean in Android? I think they have enabled UPI as well, right? Yeah, in iOS it's still a problem, but now they are okay, I guess. Okay, so this is good now. No history yet. Start processing photos to see them here. So I am okay with this. Okay. And also, guys, please like the stream if possible. So for now, RDR2 is winning. We are still waiting for 2 votes. Guys, give your vote. Blinken, I drink iced vanilla coffee with a splash of sweet cream. Oh wow, that's a fancy drink. Nice, Blinken. Now what I want to do is let's create a new component called as media history element. This is the element component for our list, which we will be showing in history tab. Fill it with some dummy JSON data. Later, I will link it with our API. Legend, we have 9 people and 8 votes. Yeah, we'll wait for 2 more votes. Waiting time. Creating media history element component. Sometimes this GLM takes too much time. GLM 4.6 ZAI. Varun, some iPhone series not have smooth experience with glass UI, but I really like animations. I mean, I really enjoy the glass animation. Initially, I was like, it's overkill, but since I have been using it, I have not faced any major glitch, except for my battery does not last that longer in my phone. Like it just works for 1 day max. The good thing is I always, like, my phone is always connected when I'm working. And yeah. Legend, what about yesterday's video? Is it done? Oh yeah, it's done. I demoed it yesterday in the yesterday's stream itself. Do you want to watch it again? So in yesterday's stream, we made this video. I showed it to my brothers. They also liked it. I don't know. Like, let's see. Let's play it again. Okay, let me increase the volume. So this is the video which I made yesterday in the stream itself. So if anybody who is new here today, you can watch yesterday's stream to see how I made this. But I'm pretty proud of it, how it turned out. So yeah, this is what we made in yesterday's stream. It took me some time, but finally it was done. Media history element is here. Okay. Okay, now can you add a list on history tab and add the dummy list data in that file in the component itself and render this media history element. What about yesterday's? Okay, Blinken. I missed yesterday's stream because I was at the ballpark for my kid playing softball. Oh, nice, Blinken. Yeah, if you can watch yesterday's stream, it was like we were just talking and designing this video which I just showed. Solid. Thank you. Varun, man, did you try it Sora too? I have not got the what the invite. I think it's not available in India at all. But I saw Casey Neistat's video. If anyone of you, I would highly recommend. Yeah, Shivanshu is here now, right? So let me also reduce the volume, play the music now. Okay. So anybody who is like where the video AI is going, I would highly suggest check out this video by Casey Neistat. It's just came today. Copy link address. Do check it out, guys. Please. I highly recommend to watch this video. Blinken, how does the app do with people with darker skin tones? I haven't tested it with that, but the model which I'm using will do it nicely. I guess so. विवेक क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई? Yeah, I have seen those memes, man. Varun is available for developer API. Is it? Is it available for developer API? Really? Sora to developer API. Platform. OpenAI. Login. Let me check. Is it really available? Sora. I don't think so. It's available. It's not coming here. At least not for me. Continue. Let me check. Start building. Log out. So the thing is, my OpenAI account is with Google, but my ChatGPT account is with my Apple. Dashboard. Yes, this is available. Image assistant. Yeah, it's not available. Even in the API section, they are not giving it. Yeah, not there yet. Okay. One change on the way we are showing the list. The whole view should not be scroll view. The history tab should be fixed on top, and only the main content should be a list, not scroll view with elements in it. Harshit Trains, your message is retracted. Varun, I think it's only available in the US, Canada, which are the only two countries. Yeah, right now it's only available in those two countries. Plus the way they are pushing it out as a TikTok competitor, where it's like you scroll and it's all feed of AI generated content, and the kind of social element which they have added in the app, which will blow up a lot, to be honest. I feel the way it works is, like if I invite my brothers or my friends into it, I can just tag them, and if they have an account in Sora 2 app, I can make a video for them. So I can say me and my brother doing kite surfing, and it will create the video where we both are doing kite surfing. And this creates such a social dynamic where if I get a notification, hey, like for example, Shivanshu has created a video with you, I would want to watch it. Like, how does it look? And this kind of social virality will be so huge in this app. I mean, this is the next ChatGPT moment for OpenAI. The way they have launched the Sora 2 is like incredible. I mean, I think OpenAI has a lot of things under their sleeves. The kind of like product thing they are doing. Oh wow, Varun has been member for 5 months. Varun, thank you so much, man. Thank you, Varun, for supporting me for a long time. This means a lot. Okay, now let's change the design of ad media tree. I want to show a square image on the left. The bad thing is we cannot add image on this. That's one of the bad thing, right? Let's see if we can. Let's design it first. Varun, I think they will become competitors. I'm sure they might. Yes, you're right. So they are going for TikTok and Instagram and all. Like they're going for the social space, which is a huge space. Like there is no other company, even like Facebook has tried integrating their AI into all of their products, like Meta AI. I really doubt anybody is using it. So the only strategy is to make it in a way which goes viral. And the way how OpenAI is approaching it for the consumers, that is a virality where they're bringing just AI in a viral form, and they might capture a huge portion, and slowly like they will bring video creation, slowly like real human creation with AI capabilities. Then there will be messages, DMs, following, and then it will become like a full blown social network. So people will be jumping from TikTok to their platform or Reels or like any other. But I doubt like how much money they will be paying, because creation of those videos will obviously be taking a lot of their resources. So that's why they are limiting it with invite only, because they do not, I don't think they have that kind of infrastructure. Yeah. Harshit, try with VPN. Sora 2, OpenAI giving invite code to GPT subscription membership. I don't know, like the app is not available in India, and I think it's app only thing, Sora 2. Even with a VPN, it will not work. Plus, to be honest, I'm not that interested until it launches. Like I'm not like super interested in creating AI slops. There is nothing which I can't already create with VO. It's similar to that only. It's just the experience and the virality they're creating that's unique. Okay. How do you think we should show the content here? I really like the way they have shown the status, which is good. And it is also showing the timing, how much time it took, which is good. Varun, I'm waiting for Samsung and Google's mix of VR glasses like Vision Pro. One of my closest people tried it in, and according to him, in my opinion, it feels less weighty compared to Vision Pro. I mean, Google and Samsung, they, before them, the only company which is heavily invested on vision right now is Meta and Apple. Like these are the two companies. They hired all the good engineers, and they're like investing a lot on into the R&D. I don't think Google has anything in their sleeves on this domain, or maybe they have like lost interest on this completely, because they have a lot of big things going on. They have going to Gemini, they have Android. So it's not their core like approach as per the news. Like it's not near anywhere. What do you think of Perplexity's web browser Comet? I don't think about Perplexity at all. I don't even think about their any product. I feel they're just, it's a marketing kid crying on the corner, try my product, and doing every stunt so that it can get some subscribers. Oh, I'm sorry. I have very strong opinions about Perplexity. Tried it 2-3 times, never worked, and I was like, nah. Product has nothing. It's just the marketing. Many companies have created such browsers. They all are failure. Even ChatGPT has moved on from browser. The way it doesn't work. Nobody is interested in using your shitty browser which works half the time and doesn't work half the time. AI is not there yet. It's not fast enough. So yeah, that's a use case which is like too soon right now. Tap to view the details. We do not want to. Maybe we can show here like a text, enhance or colorize. The best thing would be if this component is before and after kind of thing. I only like the startup video. I mean, there are a lot of browser companies. Oh, we have 12 votes. Shivam, I'm sorry, but RDR2 it is. Everyone is interested in RDR. Let's do RDR then. I'll stream it here. I'll have to find a way to connect my Steam Deck to preview it somewhere on this screen and then stream it somehow. There is a connector. I'll have to see. There is no HDMI in it. Let's see. Varun, but Sora 2 voice generation is very, very close to real voice. I see in Telugu, it feels very, very close compared to other models as of now. Yeah, I mean, they have already worked on their Whisper model a lot. And then they also worked on their audio model a lot. So, I mean, yeah, they are working on this for a very long time. They have bought some companies too behind the scene. Even you can try 11 labs. It will do crazy. Like within like, I think 30-second or 10-second of your audio, you can convert it into, and you will be shocked how good the quality of 11 labs is. Bin is greater. That's true. Anonymous. I'll call you Anonymous. I remember you. You used to come here. How are you? I don't know your name. It would be good if you can just share your name. Hey, which camera you use? I use many cameras. Like there is this DJI Action. This is one of the camera, the one which I'm running as a webcam right now. This is DJI Action, Osmo Pocket 3. Then there is a DSLR, which is a Sony A7 III. And what else? My iPhone, I use it sometimes as a camera. Not just sometimes, many times as a camera. You remember me? Yes. I remember you. You never had a name. A person with no name. How can someone forget you? Shivam, I thought today will be a gaming stream. Hey Shivam, welcome. Today was like 2-hour stream, so I thought 2 hour. I can't play 2 hour. So I was just, let's do this for a while. I'm just thinking how to make a design, because what I'm thinking is here, old black and white image, copy image. So for example, this is the image which you give. I can show a before and after. This is, and you can say colorize, but what else can we add here? I don't want to add extra text which doesn't make any sense. So I'm thinking what we can do is Wait. I remember. What we can do is... I can go to Cloudflare. Yeah, Cloudflare. Yeah, because this doesn't make any sense. I'm thinking we can just make this, and there will be an R2 storage bucket which has media, and where is our image? Copy image. So we can just copy it and add it here and put it here like this. Do you think this is good like this? Like showing them side by side, and while it's creating, so that user would know like something. We can add some shadow maybe on the bottom, drop shadow with a spread or like a blur effect, so that user can click on them. I don't know if this angle is looking nice or not. Also, this is not fully visible. And there we can say like colorize or something like that. Let's see. Hey Surit, welcome to the stream, man. How are you? How's your Sunday going? Oh, now we are reducing the load on the poll. 15 votes. RDR2 is still 47%, winning by quite a lot of margin. But there are people who are saying other. Guys who are saying other, what do you think the other can be, so that we can run another poll? Varun, I was thinking that it must be tough to generate Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam with AI, especially considering that even 11 Labs doesn't seem to have them, according to my last check. That's true actually. Yeah, even I haven't seen the local languages, but OpenAI has that. It's interesting. Surit, can't forget old Minecraft nights with friends. It make me cry. Best time of my life. Yeah, even I have a lot of these. I used to stream my games. There was no one used to watch them. Even I had like maybe 10, 15 followers. And we used to play Rust and PUBG Mobile back in 2020 and 2021. I still watch them. They are like in my archive. So yeah, I can understand that feeling. Anonymous, your message was retracted. I don't know what happened. Shivam, do you use Node.js Express server as your backend? Yes, today only I hosted one worker on Cloudflare using this same tech stack. Anonymous, to be very honest, I don't have anyone whom I can share this. I'm going to build my desk setup, which I have been dreaming and surfing the items to buy since 6-7 months. Awesome, Anonymous. I can understand that feeling too, because I have built my own like this desk, and I know how nitpicky I can be on few things here. The kind of tech I need. I don't put anything. I put very specific things which I really need on my desk, which looks good to me, which are handy, and which makes it look a little bit aesthetic, the colors and all, so that it feels cozy when I'm sitting here. And to be honest, when I was traveling from last 2 months in July and August, I was missing my desk setup. This feels like a very safe space where just work. There are 2 screens, 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, and my favorite Mac Studio. Guys, do give me some suggestions on this, what to do. Any good designer here with us? No. And there could be so this could be the check mark, like it is done. There could be like 100%. I don't know if 100% makes any sense here. Any other data which user might be interested to watch. This 100% doesn't make sense. I just want to see what's happening on Dribble. AI image gen app. Oh, I have another app which I can review what they are doing. I want to get some. Or maybe the better way is, why do we need to show it vertically? We can even show it in a grid like this. It makes more sense, right? So, wait. Varun, but if AI generates mainly Indian local language and sound language like Telugu, Tamil, it definitely is at its peak stage. Even very few music artists know the dictation of these languages. Yeah, I mean, watch the Casey Neistat video. It's really cool. The way how things are moving, and nobody knows what the future of content looks like, because we are at a point where content creation doesn't make any sense, to be honest. The way how Sora is, like, the next version of Sora would be like, you can't even tell a difference. Anybody can write a prompt and the content, a crazy aesthetic content, is ready. Blinken, my 8-year-old just did open a box from his grandpa and it Lego set. Awesome, Blinken. Wow. Code with Yugi. Hello. Hey, hi Yugi. We were just talking about you. You said let's play Minecraft, but I ran a poll and RDR2 streaming is winning by a lot of margins. Let's see. It's 1100 pieces. Crazy, man. I haven't ever played with Lego, to be honest. Like, we used to play with something different when we were kids, but it was not Lego, to be honest. Lego was too expensive in India when we were kids. Anonymous, I am quite skeptical for a Mac Mini, one or a PC, cause I haven't seen anyone in person using it. Just the online reviews. If you have any suggestion about this, I would like highly suggest Mac Mini to anyone who is thinking of buying anything. It's one of the best ROI in terms of compute. Mac Mini at 60,000, or like with the student discount it gets to 50k, is the best deal in the market if you want to have a computer. And if you are into development, no doubt, hands down, the best thing. But if you are into gaming and if you're buying something for games a lot, Mac doesn't make much sense. So yeah, just think about that. How about a grid like this? We can show. And Anonymous, I have a laptop too, but I also want desktop. Yeah, I have seen some people, they do not like desktop. They only like laptop. They love to work from anywhere. But I personally like desktop, to be honest. Where is our where is what? Plugins, icon set. Check. So something like this, and you can click on it. That's it. Or maybe what we can do is, if there is the other file is created, we can just place a white bar here like this. Right, and we can have this image, copy image, wait, and maybe move it. What? No, what is that? Is it alt? Why is it closing both ways? Is it control? Oh yeah, it's control. But again, it's not exactly, it's reducing its aspect ratio too. But I hope you get the idea. So this is what I'm thinking, like half of it like this, half of it like this. And so user can click, and if the half is not generated, it can just show this area as a blurred version. So I can say effect, blur, layer blur, which could be like this. And here we can type a text like 50%. How is it? I like it, to be honest. Like, it will just show both the images, so it's more visible. We only need these two things on the screen. Okay, let's see if we can work it out. In the history tab, instead of having a vertical list, can we make it grid list, so we can show 2 elements in one row? Let's do this. Blinken, oh, he's gone. Make me help him put it all together. Yeah, I've seen like how messy it can be with Lego sets. Code with Yugi. RDR is nice, but I think not like to watch playing. We play with you is so much fun. I agree, Yugi. I agree. I'm just open for both the options, but the votes are going on very different direction. Or we can do one thing, like we can do this time RDR2, and later on we can decide on a stream on a weekend or another Sunday where we'll be just playing Minecraft. How about it? Anonymous, for you, what are the most favorite or top-notch YouTubers? Only tech. Top-notch. So one of my favorite is this guy. What is his name? Marco. I like his aesthetic short content and the way he makes his content. I kind of got inspired from his content in the beginning by looking at his day in life videos. And then there is this guy who makes apps in Flutter. He's a European guy, solid, like he's like a model, like a Greek model, and he makes apps, and his shots are amazing, aesthetically so pleasing. I like him. And then there is this Japanese guy who I have talked about. Fireship is like 100%. I think Fireship is not just a tech channel anymore. It's like a tech news channel, and everybody likes him. Yeah, this is better. This is much better. Wow, this is so good. Let's put these two in the assets folder. Save image. Or instead of this, we have already sample, right? Code with Yogi, your message was retracted. Legend, Fireship maybe. Yeah, this is done, right? Oh, now we have a top fan section also, guys. Number 1 fan is Varun. Number 2 is Shubham. Number 3 is Legend. Number 4 is Blinken. In this 5th. Shivanshu is 6th. Skeptera is 7th. Who is Skeptera? Did we ever talk to Skeptera? And Shivam is 8th. Goat. Oh, Anonymous is Goat. Okay, I'll call you Goat now. Harshit is 10th. And 11th is Code with Yogi. And 12th is Vivek. Nice. These are our top fans. Interesting. Blinken, I like Fireship a lot. Tech with Tim is good for a lot of Python content. Coding with Lewis is good too. And of course, there's Div. Thank you so much for adding me in the list of these legends. I'll tell you with the guy who I like. This Japanese guy. I always forget his name. Japanese coding guy. Oh, by the way, I like Zoma. Zoma just recently came out after 4-5 years. I love Zoma. I don't know if you guys know this channel or not. I again forgot this Japanese guy, man. Someone mentioned about him in these streams once. But now again, I don't know. So he makes like ASMR content. He's an indie hacker himself. And he just types code. Doesn't show himself much. And who else? I used to like Theo sometimes, but most of the time I don't like his way of giving opinions on things. Those are very strong opinions, and I don't even know when he's saying the truth and when he's just sponsoring something. I think last time he was invited somewhere in chat like OpenAI, and he was like saying this is the best LLM, but people started bashing him. So I have lost a little bit trust from him. I used to watch him a lot earlier. Then who is there? I used to watch Adam Little because he's in the same journey as I am, like way ahead, obviously. He's a mobile developer from Australia. And who else? I'm just browsing my recommended history because I'm pretty sure I must have watched some of their content. I don't like Primegen. Like some people like him. I don't connect with the way he talks. He might make good content, but the way he speaks, it doesn't connect with me. Who else? Yeah, for now these are the only channels. I watch a lot of podcasts by this My First Million by Sean and the other guy. What is his name? Sam and Sean. That's like whenever I'm in the gym, that's the only podcast I'm listening. And I watched this Y Combinator's podcast. What is its name? They have started this new podcast, Y Combinator. They sit in a circle and talk about AI and tech. Is that Greek guy's Jakub developer? Who is Jakub? Let me check. No, his name is something else. He used to make a lot, but these days he's not very active. No, I haven't seen Jakub before. So the guy which I'm talking about is a white guy with long hairs. I think his golden hairs, blue eyes, very solid build. Like he goes to the gym, obviously. And then he codes Flutter apps. He's making his own like a workout tracker app. Kodudugi, how much you chat, I give you XP. How much you chat, I give you XP. What does that mean? My keyboard. Crying. Legend, I know Zoma. Bro, Zoma Tech is the meme legend of tech. Exactly, man. I love Zoma. That donut video. LinkedIn for game devs, Breakies, really good. No, yeah, I have seen Breakies. What do they give? Any Indian techie you love? Indian techie? In India, I've only seen people teaching, like there is like course, they're selling courses mostly. Nobody's sharing their life or their journey or their experiences as such. I don't know, maybe I have limited knowledge, but I haven't came across with any such developer. Most of them are like selling courses most of the time, like they are teachers. So I think I missed that train of learning from someone. I don't learn from YouTube when I'm learning something new. I generally either buy like if I have to learn anything new and I quickly want to get to it, I'll buy a Udemy course. Those are like what, 1,000 rupees, and just go through them. Easy to follow tutorials in a variety of things is bro code. I watch a lot of tech videos apparently. Nice. Shubham, wait, we have one more hour. Yes, we have, Shubham, because on your special demand on this Sunday. Okay, perfect. So family photo enhancement, damaged photo, is timing. So can you remove the text from the element? I don't need the title on each grid element. Everything else is perfect. Also, let's add sample one old dot png asset as the image on all grids. Let's see. Gazoop, is that Cal Hadden? Oh yes, Gazoop. Yes. I remember. Yes, he's Cal Hadden. Correct. This guy. I don't know. He has stopped making videos now. Is his name Cal Hadden? It's something like that. I'm pretty sure. Yes. I'm searching on YouTube. Halden. This guy. Yes. This guy. When was his last video? I think he hasn't made 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I did watch it a little bit. Yeah, I watched this. I used to watch his, yeah. So 1 year ago, I used to watch him a lot. I think this is the time when I started my YouTube channel as well. So, but his shorts are crazy. Like he spends way too much time on his like short selection, and his videos are very long, very in depth, and he shares a lot of information on them. He's really good. Like I like this guy. Thank you, Gazoop. Code with Yugi. What will you watch India Techie YouTube? What do you suggest to new gen if they won't make videos? Like what do you miss in India Techie, especially English content? I don't know, like it's preference, right? People are making, like I'm not saying they are making bad content. I'm just saying they are not making content for me, which I can watch. I don't enjoy watching just information. I like to watch something with a little bit of cinematic story and something unique where I'm like enjoying that video as well. It's not just information, because information, there are hundreds of other sources from where I can just sit and read those informations. It's just that I do not connect with the content which I have found from Indian channels, or maybe I have not came across anyone in that domain so far. I would like to watch all these guys, like for example this Cal Helden, right? So if someone from India makes something similar, I would watch it. Even someone who makes like Marco, I would watch it. So again, it's my preference, because I am in that journey of looking at what developers are doing in their day-to-day life, indie hacking, what their life looks like. So it inspires me to add or remove some things from my life. I would say, so my goal for my channel is to become, if I have to be very honest, if you guys know Matt Devella, like he's a cinematographer. He's like a crazy cinematographer guy who does that for his profession. But I want to be at that level where I'm like Matt Devella of as a developer. So I'm mixing development, engineering, software engineering, and introducing cinematography into it, and mixing both of them and making content that crisp with that kind of quality. So yeah, this is like, even if someone from India is doing that, I would really like to see what they are doing. Guzoop, he's making videos on his second channel now, Coder Cal. Oh really? Yeah, I don't even know that. Coder Cal. Oh yeah, but why? Why did he stop making content on his previous channel? 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 5. Oh wow, he's like, is he like, wait, it's a 3,000 subscribers. So he's just sitting, browsing for 33 minutes. So he's recording himself from one single screen. You see the colors he's using in his editing. So he has done a color correction on this. I really like the aesthetic of this. It's very cinematic. Okay, so what he's doing is he's putting his camera while working and then later on compiling like a 20-30 minute video. Nice. I'll subscribe. I like his content. I can't see the image. It's at sample one new.jpg. Let's use this to show on each grid. Abhinav, hey Abhinav, welcome to the special Sunday stream of 2 hours on special request from Shubham, because Shubham helped me reach the goal of that day, and this was what I promised. Guzoop, apparently he's making his own startup which he documents on his second channel. Interesting. Yeah, I'll watch now. YouTube might recommend me more. Thank you, Guzoop, for telling me this. Abhinav, I see the timer today still has another 50 minutes. Yeah, this is a 2-hour stream. We are sitting here for more than 1 hour. Code with you. That's you so much. Best suggestion, because I am planning to start YouTube. Oh, you mean thank you so much. Okay, perfect. You're welcome. If you start, do share your link. I would be really interested. Terminal setup to interconverter. What? Shit. My terminal got hang. Kill terminal. I'm sorry. I'll have to start again. I don't know which grid it will update. I think there is some issue with the API here. Gozoop, I also really like his color correction, and earlier he used to do cinematics too, which I enjoyed. Yes, me too. Like, I liked him not just because of his coding content. I liked him because the way he was shooting his content, and he was spending way too much time. I can see the setup he was doing. He was in the market and he's putting his camera at some distance, then walking and taking zoom shots. Very nice frames, very nice colors. I mean, with AI, this is something which even Casey Neistat touched a little bit in his video today, which came. I don't know how much of it is. Nobody likes AI content, to be honest. Like, if someone tells me this is AI generated, my respect for that content will be too low. But I don't know how long the sentiment will be. It's similar to when electric cars came out, right? People were talking about how they like the engine voice. They love when cars rev. So they cannot even imagine driving an electric car because there is no noise. So they associated a good car with the rev, the engine noise, because that's how that generation has grown up to know what a car is. And the marketing has been done in a way where they rev the car, they make the sound, so crazy sounds that brings that joy of having a car. Now when electric cars came in, people started hating electric cars because they don't have that noise. And I remember there were some cars which were adding like external speakers to just simulate that noise so people can feel that same noise, which I'm feeling we are in that era where AI content is so new that we feel we have less respect for it, because we came from an era where people were spending so much time on creating content, sitting in front of camera, doing a lot of things. Now you can just write a prompt and the video is generated. But in the end, that is also content, that is also content. Output is like almost same. What difference does it make if it's better? So yeah, I don't know, it's a little bit confusing to me to think that way. Maybe we are just rejecting it because it's not something we relate to. We feel it is like less, that it's easy. Something has happened with this. Let's go to our cursor now. Or maybe we can start with Goose. We'll use coding retrofix. We have just created a new element called add media. Add media history. What the hell? We can't link files here? Add media history element in our project. I want you to add sample1 whole.jpg asset as the background on this element. Let's see. Abhinav, I see you are not using Cloud Code extension. New extension stores the previous chats and the context as well, unlike the terminal one. Do check it out. Cloud Code extension. What is Cloud Code extension? Thank you for this info. Cloud Code extension. Oh, there is a new extension on this. Okay, let's see. Where is the extensions? Cloud Code. Install. Okay. Wait. Restart. Reload window. Yeah, and start. Interesting. And where is Cloud Code? Where is it? Where the hell is it? Where is Cloud Code extension? How to use it? Abhinav, thank you so much, man. But how to use it now? Like, I have no idea. Where is it? Like, do I have to run Cloud here again? Not showing up for some reason. Let's see what Goose has done. Nope. Goose failed. Gozoop, I mean, this type of additional things just give more personality to a YouTube channel. That's true. Yeah. It's a little bit harder. So like you put an extra effort, and as a viewer, it's very evident and visible the kind of time you are putting. So it means the content has quality because you are putting that time and energy to make that. And it gives a taste to the whole channel. Shivam, game Witcher 3 Wukong, good story. Witcher 3 I tried. I couldn't enjoy it that much. I don't know. I didn't like it that much, but it's, again, some of my friends play it and they told me to play it. That's why I started. And then Wukong is amazing. Like, yeah, that the next game which I want to try is Wukong. 21 votes. Wow, guys. And RDR is winning still by a lot of margin. Legend. Any Prince of Persia fans here? Hey, I am Prince of Persia fan. I played the old Prince game, the very, very old, the DOS game. What was its name? Prince. This one. So I came from the era of this game. Oh shit. Imagine this one. Do you guys know this? Like, is anyone here who remember this game, who is from this era, or who is as old as this game is? Like, I have played this in my school's computer lab so much. Open image in new tab. So this was a Prince game for me. After this, I played again a Prince of Persia, other games as well. The Prince game on DOS is a Prince of Persia cinematic platformer. This was a crazy game. And after that, I played a lot of Prince of Persia. So yeah. Abhinav, Discord General. Okay, what's happening in Discord General? Okay, you mean this part comes up, right? But okay, in that case, I'll have to open a file then. Element. Okay, here it is. Anthropic console. How do you want to log in? Anthropic console. Oh, by the way, shit. So this will not work for me because I'm not actually using Anthropic. I'm using this GLA. I'm not using Claude. I'm using GLA. Sample one old. Add sample one old.jpg. I can't see this in our grid elements. Here is the attached image screenshot. Request failed. No endpoint found that supports image. Goat, what was the channel you said? Matt Devella, the cinematography one. It's Matt Devella. I hope everyone has seen Matt Devella. I'm pretty sure. Matt Devella. I'm pretty sure you must have seen him. This guy. Where is it? Goose. What do we do? I'm 18, not that old to ask, but why like so much free knowledge like free code camp? Why are so many still unemployed and unmotivated to build, learn, or grab opportunities? I mean, lack of knowledge is not a problem at all at this age. It's not been since last 10 years. Since the age internet came out, people started posting content. Getting knowledge is not the problem. It's the motivation on what type of knowledge you need. It's the abundant, right? We are living in an era of abundance of knowledge. So it's about what kind of knowledge you need. First of all, like, people are clueless. Some of the people I meet, they don't know what they need to learn because the goals are not super clear and confusion is too high because there's so much knowledge. You can pick anything. It's like analysis paralysis. You have so many choices that you do not stick to one thing. So obviously knowledge is not the main problem here. It has never been from last 10-20 years. And now after ChatGPT and all these LLMs, it's become much simpler. Legend, Sands of Time and Warrior Within. Oh, it's Sands of Time I have played. Yes. Have you watched the Witcher web series? I tried. I didn't enjoy it. Again, please don't hate me for this. Goat, might have seen him in my recommendation. Yeah. I mean, oh, damn it. They release all good features to Claude subscribers. Yeah. That's why I use it, because the terminal with can be used with any LLM. I was using it with KME K2 earlier. Now I'm using it with GLM 4.6, which recently released last week. Kuzup, I think it's now the issue of ample of knowledge. Yes, it's always been like, since I grew up, I never thought like I'm missing out on some knowledge. It's always been like what to learn and where to put your time and energy in. If anybody of you have seen the video of Steve Jobs when he talks about signal versus noise, I wanted to make a video on that too one day, like to very like put my opinions in a way, like how I have tried to reduce noise around me and just focus on the signals. And this is what the main problem is. We are in an era in this internet world with so much noise around us. Everything you see online or everything you see on a screen is trying to grab your attention, and not everything needs your attention for your own personal benefits. So you have to decide on if it's a signal for you or if it's a noise. So for example, for me, anything political debate, political fights, or any like religious talks, or any this kind of information which I see on my feeds, this is all noise for me. So I want to just look out for what's my signal, where like what's my direction and what is my signal. So I just focus on the signals. And this is like I'm learning slowly how to focus on signal. And if anybody of you have not seen that video of Steve Jobs talking about it, I highly recommend it. Go Google like noise versus signal by Steve Jobs. Quote, you get an instant FOMO when you're not doing what others start learning. Yes, that's how I started my first job too. I was talking to my friends and they were talking about these fancy words which I've never heard in my life, and I was like, bro, I'm missing out on something. Can you add the sample? Oh wait, we ask this thing, right? Thing background video. Continue. I can't see any image on the grid element. Okay, it's not working. I hope it works now. Good. It's a common trait I've noticed. Yes, we need that video. Abhinav, have you seen Roma Tech's new video? You mean Zoma? Yeah, I have. Amazing. Like the way he creates content is already like amazing, man. He came out after 4-5 years, and the way his strategy in the end, like he said, I have made this app and click a picture with me, and people started posting, and the whole thing got so viral. I think that's again very genius marketing by him. Guzoop, when is the last time you have written code by yourself? Yesterday, today also. Like today I wrote this worker which was not working properly, and I did not wanted AI to mess up the code. So I was just going through the code base, updated few lines by myself. So it's not like I have completely given command to AI. It's only in these streams when I do. I just talk to AI because I do not want, because when I have to look into code, it needs a lot of attention and time to just understand the whole context. And I have to like read line by line what's happening. And so that's where, when I do, like when I have no distraction at all. Rishabh, hey, hi Rishabh. How are you, man? Wow, we are so close here. 23 votes. People have been... Minecraft is winning almost 35-39. Very close call. So we'll wait for next 30 minutes. Let's see which wins. What happened to GLM, bro? GLM has like given up on us. The AI. Do we have the credits? Or we have exhausted the credits? API dashboard, payment method, manage subscription, API keys, billings. Oh, we have $7. So something is different. Something is wrong. It's getting till terminal. We'll do another thing. I'll just change my my keys here. Item. Let's open it here. Nano dot. Let me just change to Kimi K2. Maybe it's an issue with. Okay. Source dot gshrc. Command not found. Why? Okay. sourc source. Perfect. Now let's do a source here. Okay. Now let's run Claude again. Moonshot. Perfect. What? Who has given you the image, bro? Can you please change the image in our grid view in history, which is showing this element at media element? I want to show the sample one old.jpg as background image on this element, covering the whole background, which is not happening right now. If this fucks up, then we'll go to Claude. Cursor. I'm sorry, but I can't trust. What the hell? Who is giving you the fuck? Bro, who is giving you the image? Rishabh, I'm fine. How about you? I'm good, man. I'm good. Vote for Minecraft, guys. Yogi really wants to play Minecraft, but RDR is winning. So, guys, whatever is the final choice in last 30 minutes, we'll go with that. Gazoop, did you receive any update from Apple for the release of the app? Not yet. I think it's Sunday. I'm still waiting for it. Let me quickly check the status. What is happening? Apple Store Connect. I did vote for Minecraft, lol. Okay. Yep, it still is in waiting for review. No change. Fucking hell, what is happening? Why the... So I think in the end Cursor will be the savior here. Oh lol, people vote RDR. Goat, by the way, where are you from? Goat, I am from Haldwani. It's a place in Uttarakhand, and currently I'm in Goa. Like I moved from there to Goa. I live here now. Rishabh, what are you working on right now? Hey Rishabh, I'm working on this history tab on the app. So in the morning, I have created a completely new service for the backend to support this kind of feature where user can have access to their created content forever. Earlier, it was not possible. Like in the version which I have given for Apple to review, there you can only get the output once, and then once you save, you either have to save it or it's gone forever. So I'm just adding this because that was the MVP version. I just wanted to get that version out. Now I'm working on this. Mm, guys, also please vote for this stream. Like it. Okay, cursor it is. Can you add the add sample one old as the background image for the grid element? It's not visible right now. And also take this as a screenshot. Pakoda, hello. Hey, hi Pakoda. How are you, man? Long time no see. Where were you? Rishabh, an update on my backend learning. I quit learning backend with TypeScript, going with JS since I have TypeScript on my front end already. I mean, what's the difference? Like TypeScript is just typing over JavaScript. I would suggest go with TypeScript, but learn the concept of JavaScript. Both are same. TypeScript is just adding types to JavaScript, which is the I would never use JavaScript without TypeScript because it helps you remove a lot of bugs from your code. What the hell? I still can't see any image on the element when it's showing on the history grid list. Pagoda, what is this poll? ये गेमिंग स्ट्रीम का पोल कहाँ से आ गया? Yes, 6:10 तो इंटरनेट बन रहा है डेंगू की वजह से, दंगो इसलिए ऑफ था. What and what? So Pakoda, first of all, this game is this week we have to do a game stream, as that was one thing which I said in my I think 2-3 streams back. I said if my super chat goal gets finished, that was one target I gave myself, and that did happen. So now I have to play one stream just game, and so we are looking for which game to play. Is it Minecraft or is it RDR2? Some people are going with Minecraft because Minecraft we can play with everyone, and RDR is I'll just play and you guys will be watching and giving me suggestion. So that's about the gaming thing, gaming poll. And what about this dange? Where are you? Which part of India are you in? I'm not looking at news these days, but I remember in UP there is something like this happening, and also in Ladakh something like this is happening. Rishabh, type safety is already in front end, hence why again on back end unless needed. No. Back end it's much more needed than in front end, man. Front end fucks up, it's fine. If back end fucks up, you are screwed. So if you are going with back end, 100% TypeScript. TypeScript is not front end, back end. It's like type safing your code, so you do not mess up when you update anything. It will give you it's one safety check. I am Harshil. Can you suggest where to find client for freelance? I am struggling to find clients. Harshil, I would see. One way is go to freelancer or whatever, Upwork, but those are very competitive at this point. So I would not suggest you to spend more time there. So another thing is start being visible online, post what you are learning, what you are doing online in Twitter, hang out with the circles where people are talking about software development, apps development. And once you start sharing about your journey, people will start reaching out to you there, and your feed will be filled with people who might be asking hey, anybody know any developer, and you can comment, you can DM, you can share your project. This is one of the way. It's a long shot because you have to build your app around the circle first, so it will take 1 or 2 months to reach there. Another is go with find your reach out to these companies. I do this job, maybe reach out to them on LinkedIn, find out these job websites where jobs are open and reach out to them. I want to work as a contractor, I'm open for this work. Just it's a game of reaching out. the more you reach out, the more probability you have. Code with Yugi, your message was retracted. Pakoda, yes, UP Bareilly Hindu Muslim ke. Oh shit, yeah, that's happening, man. So 6 days there was no internet. Fuck. पर नहीं सीखे. What is this? Code with Yugi. If you like song, I would vote Minecraft, but I can't vote. I would vote Minecraft. With the song is so good. Okay. So one thing is subtle background, 30% opacity. So let's see where this opacity is. Opacity 0.8, then 0.3 will make it 1. Oh, this is not the opacity of this then. I don't need to give any style. Is there any? Okay, I think this is the BG, which is also adding. Not this. So one thing is I don't need this freaking title. What the hell is happening? Can you remove the title and the opacity from background image? I want to show the image very clearly to the user. Blinkin, la lava, chicken. What? Currently, how many games in your library? I am playing on Steam, in my Steam Deck. So I have quite a lot. I don't know if I was trying to log in on my Steam to show you guys, but I have maybe 7, 8, or maybe more than that, because I used to play on some VR. So I have a couple of VR games as well. Okay, perfect. Now I want to update this element in a way that we show sample one old.jpg on the left side and half of sample one new.jpg on the right side with a vertical white divider in between. It should look like that the left image is converted to the right image. Let's see. Our brain is better in song making. From the Minecraft movie, have you not seen it? No, not yet. Haven't seen it. Blinken. Legend. The Chinese game makers are going crazy with their games. Which game? I think Wukong is one of the Chinese game, right? It's based on their Monkey King. Ooh, nice. I like it. Before, after. It has also added this. Oh, it's so funny. I'll watch it. So one thing which I want to change is this. On the history tab, when it loads for the first time, we see loading history. I want to show that part with an activity indicator instead of grid list, but the header which shows history and the divider should still be visible, and put this loading status in the middle of that content of that screen. Let's see. Pagoda, why would anyone watch foreign movies when there is legendary Desi Sayara? Did you guys like Sayara? I haven't seen it. I have seen the memes of that movie, to be honest. Yo, Shubham, I'm back. What happened in last half an hour? A lot. We have almost finished the UI here. People are voting for Minecraft. So we have 26 votes. RDR is still winning. So Shubham and Yugi, I'm sorry. We'll do the Minecraft later then. Let's do it. Yes, perfect. Perfecto. So this is video. There is a video status. Okay, one other thing. When it's a video in the element, I want to show the video icon on the middle of the screen. Right now it's shown on the top left corner as seen in attached image. So earlier Claude 3.5 or 3.7 was not able to fix this. I remember I fixing it myself in my previous app, but let's see how good 4.5 is. Will it be able to fix it? This is a good test. I haven't seen it. I will not watch. I do not like the genre. 26 votes. Wow. Let me join with alt account. I just posted the lava chicken video on Discord. I'll watch this after this stream. Nice. Oh wow, guys, what's happening? Minecraft and RD are neck to neck. Minecraft is winning. Shit. People are doing new accounts creation. I have 4 accounts. Master, 1 vote, second vote. Wow, you guys want to watch Minecraft? You increased my work now. Okay, so 4.5 did it. It's in the middle. Perfect. And this looks so good. I like it. So I will commit this code. Okay, so the next part which I want to work on is storing it somewhere. Yeah, we still have 10 minutes. I don't know, some miracle can happen. Minecraft won. Thanks, love you guys. Wow, Shivam. This is so funny. I voted for RDR Raja of Vido. Minecraft Valo. Vido Minecraft. Yeah, Minecraft is still winning. Just give me 1 sec. Someone is messaging me when to send. Dung duk dung duk dung duk dung duk dung duk dung duk. Come on now, man. 32 votes, 34 votes. Definitely, Minecraft is winning now. We'll have to play Minecraft. Okay, so this is done. Now the next thing which I want to do is I want to make a local state where we will be storing users sessions, and it's just a local state which we'll manage, right? Should we do it in this 8 minutes? Done. 49, 37 words. Guys. 49. So I don't think now is a possibility of RDR winning. This was a crazy turnaround in like last 5-10 minutes. The whole poll changed. Good thing we ran the poll for so long. Aja Pakoda, let's see what you guys. 38, 50%. 32. Wow, 38 votes. Nice. We still have 7 minutes. Let's see. देख लो 1v2 करने को तैयार 1v1 bro, when you will live. Let's do it anytime this week. I'll let you know. Not for sure, like not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. So Monday, Tuesday, I will try to set things up, and yeah, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, or maybe this Friday. But I'll let you know in next 2 days. Oh, it's crazy. I've been sitting in this chair for last 2 hours. This is one hell of a stream, guys. Okay, so now I want to make a store which will be a local storage store. I want to make a proper for it. I want to store all the jobs which we send to our server locally in this storage. It should contain the object to display on the history grid view. So each time user sends a request to the server for generating content, we should store it locally. When it successfully queued and our job ID is returned from the server. Later when user browse on the history section, we should bring this list and display it. Let's see. So you guys are doing The Last of Us 2. It's a great game. I mean, I'm not playing Last of Us these days. Also, I have seen the series. I'm a big fan of the series. I don't know if I'll enjoy it now, because all my dreams and hopes are broken already in the last season. I started hating that show after the last episode in the last season, man. I don't know. Job history. Ah, I'm so bad at Valorant. Also, I don't think it's in Mac. Yeah, but Mac has CS, Counter Strike. I can play that. Krunker. Oh yeah, Krunker was fun too. Yeah, I have tried Krunker. Blinken, have you ever played Minecraft? I know we played Krunker last time. Yeah, last time was fun. My brain is fried right now with this work, so I'm not able to review this at all, what it has done. Maybe I'll look into it tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure. Start processing photos to see them here. I'm pretty sure like it will be done now. There's a refresh button too. Perfect. Blinken, yes, I bought it when it first came out in 2010. I will make server so that people can join. Pakoda. You will game on Mac. The controversy starts. From Mojang before Minecraft bought it. Like I will give you surprise. Cool. I have never played Minecraft, so I'll be such a noob with you guys. Yeah, so you will have to like tell me what to do. I'll be a minion in that game, doing whatever you guys tell me to do. So I'll end the poll. Perfect. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Yugi, for making Minecraft win. So Minecraft it is. Minecraft it is. It's a peaceful game. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see how peaceful it will be. I'm already afraid with the banter you guys are having here. There is no one new. Okay, guys, thank you so much for staying with me for last 2 hours. This is one of the biggest stream after a very, very long time. And I'm surprised. I was thinking like after 1 hour, I'll take a break, drink some water, but I didn't. I was just sitting here chatting, working, which is fun, which is super fun. I feel like this is history tab was one of the tasks which I was thinking to finish on Monday, but we were able to do the whole UI and everything. Now we just have to plug it to the backend, which is already done. Perfect. So yeah, again, thank you everyone. I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, have a good night and good morning to you, Blinken, and people watching outside. See ya. Bye bye. Minecraft it is. We'll play it now.